How to transfer money from Wise to your bank account. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to transfer your money from your Wise account to your bank account. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that you need to do is just click on send right here. And then after that, what you want to do is just input the amount that you want to send. And then you can also change the currency if you want to. So you could change it to USD, the British pound, etc. So as an example, just leave it as it is. So let's say I want to send $100. And then from here, you can also change if you want to pay it with the connected bank account if you want to. But if you want to pay directly from your Wise account, just don't touch this. Then after that, what you want to do is just click on continue. And then after that, as you can see right here, it says add a recipient. So you can either send it to a person from Wise or you can enter your bank details right here. So just click on enter bank details and then just choose the account type. Then choose if it's a local bank account or an e-wallet. And then after that, you can check this box if this account belongs to you, or if it's not, just leave it unchecked. And then after that, just input the details right here, like your full name, the bank name, the account number, and the address, and your email. So the email one is optional. And then once you're done, just click on confirm. And then once you're clicking on confirm, you'll get to review your payment or your transfer, and then you will get to pay it. So it will take at least around 20 minutes until it reflects into your bank account. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to transfer money from your Wise account to your bank account.